So in terms of, there are broadly two types of customer behavior that we are seeing on mobile. So there is a high value customer segment which has higher conversion. This is your business traveler segment, last minute. Either you are like, these are mobile only kind of consumers as well, but typically these are slightly your better smartphones, your 15,000 plus kind of smartphones. These are a big set of consumers who are early adopters for technology as well, right? So you've seen here a huge last minute booking which talks about your business travel use case both on air as well as hotels. So if you see that on the mobile, the last minute travel is much higher than that of the desktop, right? So it's a huge last minute use case, and this is one type of consumers where you have high value customers with higher conversion. So the other set of consumers on mobile are the first time mobile internet users, right? So here a great use case for this is trains and buses, right? So here 75% of our bookings on trains and buses are actually transacting on the mobile for the first time, right? So, and their first transaction is a low ticket size transaction, right? So if an air ticket costs around 10,000 rupees in terms of transaction, train ticket costs you around 800 rupees, right? 500 to 800 rupees. So the cost of trial is much lower to buy a train or a bus ticket. And these are the customers that we are seeing specifically from tier 2, tier 3 cities who are kind of transacting, and their first purchase is a bus product or a trains product, right? So broadly, these are the broad two consumer segments which is driving mobile adoption specifically for us. So this second part of the presentation, well, first part of the presentation was just to share a few data points in terms of why we think mobile is a big game changer for us, and it's going to kind of explode even further in the next few months. The next part of the presentation was specifically around a few things that we saw different in terms of Hyderabad itself, right? So on the rest of the country. In terms of specifically a few slides in terms of behavior, the growth for us that we've seen on mobile is a staggering 192% growth year on year for bookings from mobile, right? So the India average roughly is around 150, 160%. So in terms of advanced booking patterns, I think which also talks about why the mobile adoption is also higher. I think Hyderabadis travel more at the last minute versus the rest of the country, right? So if you see 0 to 1 days, your x-axis is the days. So 1 day before departure, 0 days before departure, which is today, tomorrow, meaning those percentages are almost 15 to 20% compared to whatever 12, 13% across the rest of the country, right? So your immediate purchase kind of behavior is far more higher for Hyderabad. Airline split compared to the India versus rest, I think the Indigo share is far higher compared to the rest of the country. A lot of flights, I think, emanating out of Hyderabad, which is why you see Indigo's share for Hyderabad is far more higher. So Indigo is a kind of very strong airline player for Hyderabad. In terms of domestic destinations from Hyderabad, which is similar in terms of trend, the top 10 destinations typically for any city contribute to around 80% of the bookings from a particular city. In terms of your which are the destinations, as meaning you would have guessed, like Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, these would contribute like to the largest, with Bombay being the highest, right? So, and then you have some of the leisure destinations, Kochi, Goa, in terms of just the rest.